Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Thank You Next by Ariana Grande. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, E7, A minor, and C major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to another portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Our next chord is E7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 4th string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is E7. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to go through the chord progression of this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, E7 for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and C major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go through the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, pause, down, tap. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, tap, pause, down, tap. 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 And now let's combine that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, switch. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Thank You Next. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see, so look what I got. Look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you, next. Thank you, next, next. Thank you, next. I'm so very grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next, next. Thank you, next. I'm so very grateful for my ex. And at the end of the song, we're just going to ring out the F major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Thank You Next. And that's how you play Thank You Next by Ariana Grande. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Ortega Guitars for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out the product. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.